In this video I'm going to show you how you can rank YouTube videos on the first page using a model called the AIDA model. I'm going to show you how you can rank immediately in like under 30 minutes, and then I'm also going to show you how you rank long term. Are you ready? Come along. If you watch to the end of this video, I will give you a gift that ranks your videos even better. Hi, my name is Fredrik and I run my own company. I help other companies to create amazing, optimizing, converting videos for social media. One of the biggest factor to rank videos is watch time. If you have long watch time, you get higher rankings. If you have low watch time, you get lower ranking. And that's perfectly in order because YouTube see it like this. If a person or many people are watching the video to the end, that means that this video is interesting. So they put it higher in the rankings. Or if they see that people are dropping out after maybe 10-20% of the video, that's a signal that says this is not an interesting video. So for you to create videos that are ranking high in the long term, you need to create interesting converting videos using the AIDA model. And that is what I'm going to show you in this video. I see common mistakes a lot here on YouTube. First, the video is not grabbing my attention. Why should I click on this thumbnail and watch this video? And then when I click on the link, there's no interest. I'm not interested in watching this video. And it's not building up the desire that I want for the video. And also at the end of the video, there's no next step and no call to action. And there you have it. That's the opposite way of the AIDA. So if we turn it around, AIDA is you need to create attention, you need to create interest and desire, and lastly, you need to create action. Okay, so let's go through the AIDA model. But before you create any videos, we need to plan a little bit first. What is your video about? What are you going to teach the viewer? My highest recommendation is that you do some research first. I mean, if you create a video on a topic that no one searches for, that's a waste of time. You need to see, does my customers search on this topic? And then you need to find search terms that are low in competition. Low in competition means that you have the greater chance to be on the first page faster. And if you find a phrase or a keyword phrase where there is no competition, that's how you can rank on the first page under 30 minutes. So do some research and find profitable keywords and build your videos around that. So the first step in the AIDA model is attention. How do you grab the attention? Well, first step is to create a thumbnail that grab the attention. When people are searching or when there are suggested videos, you need to pop out. You need to have a thumbnail that people are curious about, that they want to click right now to watch. And that's a great tool you can use. It's called Canva. You can use it for free and they have templates ready for you just to fill out the text and maybe change a picture or two. Next in grabbing attention, that is connected with the thumbnail. You need to have a title that has the keyword that you have researched, and you need to have a title that also grabs the attention, that creates curiosity, that creates I want to watch your video now. And the third thing when you create attention, that is the beginning of the video. You need to start talking immediately, or you need to tell the viewer what they are going to learn in this video right away. You have no time having an intro or talking about yourself. Okay, that's the attention. Thumbnail, great title, and a great beginning of your video. Now let's move on to interest. This is the part that is the content of the video. This part is where you educate your viewer or inspire your viewer. If you do this right, I mean, if you help the viewer to solve their problem or if you help the viewer to get a little closer to their goal, you will create a fantastic thing called trust. They will trust you because you have helped them to get a little bit wiser, a little bit closer to their goal. The next step is desire. So what is desire? Well, you have taught the viewer a new skill, and maybe the viewer now sees how he or she can apply this new technique in their life, and you can help them to paint pictures of how easy the life would be with this skill. Maybe how much more money they can make, how much more meetings they can book, how much time they can save. And also desire lies in you who teach this new skill. If they see that you are passionate, that you know your subject, that you are a good teacher, they will also build up their desire to learn more from you. So just an example, in this case, if you are learning the AIDA model, you will be creating videos faster, you will not spend so much time planning your videos because you know exactly how to structure them. And if you structure them in this way, you know that you have maximized your abilities to get high rankings, to have lots of viewers, and in the end also earn a lot of more money in your business. And the last step now is action. When the viewer has watched the video until the end, I mean, you have them hooked up, they are interested. Now you must tell them what to do next. They are listening to you, they are trusting you, so you need to tell them what to do. And this is the part of the sales funnel or the customer journey. It depends on where the customer are in the customer journey. Maybe this is a search term that is at the end of the customer journey. I mean, if they're searching for your product and price, that means that they have come so far that they are interested in your product, but they just want to know the price. And this, with this search term, you can send them directly to a sales page. But I recommend in most cases that you're sending the viewer to learn more about the subject, to take it in small steps before they buy something. It could be like a free webinar, it could be a free course, it can be a cheap course, it can be a checklist on a PDF, it can be anything. Well, there you have the AIDA model. Create attention, then you create interest, and at the same time you build interest, you also build desire. And then last you have action or call to action, tell the viewer what to do next. And if you do it like this, you have greater chance to have long watch time, which means that YouTube will rank your videos higher, and you will also have the benefits of earning more money, booking more meetings, or whatever you want to achieve with your videos. Now, if you want to learn more about this fantastic subject, creating videos, getting high rankings on YouTube, getting more views, getting comments, being seen as an authority in your field, earn more money from your products or from affiliate products, click the link below, educate yourself even more. Well, I hope that you have got the idea of how creating really great videos for ranking them on YouTube. This is the AIDA model. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you have questions. Now to a gift. Confidence on camera is crucial for getting long watch time on your videos. If you follow the instructions in the description, I will give you my complete online course, Confidence on Camera Now. I wish you a very nice day. Till next time, bye.